First question by Manish to Manohar.
Okay, so Manohar, as you mentioned regarding the canteen extension or canteen time to be extended, currently what is their official time, and do you think you'll get permission officially to extend the timings?
तो ऑफिशियली चीज़ है कि हाँ, तो चीज़ है कि अभी वो लोग शाम में 5 बजे शुरू कर रहा है एंड 2:30 बजे ख़त्म कर रहा है, 2:30 बजे कैंटीन बंद कर रहा है. सो मैंने जब बात किया था वो लोग बोला कि इफ़ यू मतलब अगर 6 बजे शुरू करेगा तो वी आर वेरी हैप्पी टू एक्सटेंड इट टू 3:30. सो वी कैन ऑफिशियली कैंटीन का टाइमिंग्स उनसे बात करना होता है. देयर इज़ नो रूल्स रिगार्डिंग दिस टू. So every canteen has its own.
Sorry, sir.
So ठीक है. My question to you Manish, पहला क्वेश्चन है कि did you do any groundwork regarding cycle pool system? तूने लिखा कि you will provide cycle pool system. Please elaborate. क्या करेगा?
Yes, I actually have written this ensuring cycle pool system. That is, every GSEC has to contribute to the part of institute cycle pool system in which the hostel also gets the benefit of the cycle pool. So in this way, I'm benefiting the hostelites regarding the cycle pool system.
Next question from Manish to Manohar. Second question.
So you have mentioned in your manifesto in 2 to 3 places that you are changing the PHO contract. So do you know when the contract was renewed this time in the institute, why these things were not added? Because this was already past that time.
So basically, like from the next year, institute is providing a PHO contract which is personalizing to 2 to 3 hostels. Now it is like monopoly, like PHO contract is for the whole for every hostel. But they are now changing the PHO contract to 2 to 3 hostels. So they are तो नया कॉन्ट्रैक्ट कुछ शुरू कर रहा है. सो उसमें डेफिनेटली जो भी अपना रिक्वायरमेंट्स हो अपन डाल सकते हैं.
Second question from Manohar to Manish.
ओके. सो मेरा एक क्वेश्चन है. सो ठीक है. Do you take any care in writing a manifesto since it is a GSEC manifesto and written the same point without changing even a particular word in the same sentence? Will ensure organized hostel orientation for new entrants 2 times. So what I think it is a recklessness of making मतलब एक मैनिफेस्टो GSEC बना रहे तो आई एम कंसिडरिंग इट एज अ recklessness of saying writing the same point 2 times in 2 different places. What is your explanation for this?
Okay, that has been written at 2 different places with 2 different motives basically. In hostel orientation in the cultural activities has a different motivation, and that has been explained during the campaigning.
Third question from Manish to Manohar.
Okay, you have mentioned again the increasing the having a bigger fans in the rooms. So why the bigger fans has not been done till now? Because it has already come up in the last year's meetings of the any kind of committees in the administrative committees.
So I regarding bigger fans I completely मैं पूरा बताता हूँ इसका क्या हुआ. So basically it was introduced in the first HGSC meeting, proposal हुआ था, but problem है कि कोई जो GSEC का इतना फाइट नहीं मार पाया तो मैं ही मारा था. तो it is a common problem of hostel 1, 2, 3 which are having bigger rooms rather than मतलब comparatively 2 different hostels. So अगर 3 GSECs मिलके प्रॉपर्ली उनका ये समझ में ये प्रॉब्लम्स हो रहा है अगर बता दिया तो सब कुछ हो जाएगा. बस इनको प्रॉपर प्रॉब्लम को दिखाना होता है अच्छे तरीके से. डीन को भी इन्वॉल्व कर सकते हैं मैटर में. बिकॉज इज ए बिग इशू.
Third question from Manohar to Manish.
हाँ. सो तुमने ये भी लिखा है कि यू विल प्रोवाइड ए हॉट कोल्ड डिस्पेंसर वाटर डिस्पेंसर एट सेकंड फ्लोर. तो मतलब आपको लगता है कि ये मतलब प्लास्टिक वाला तो डेफिनेटली हॉट कोल्ड वाटर डिस्पेंसर तो प्लास्टिक वाला जैसे मैं इसमें वही मैं समझ रहा हूँ. तो ये अगर तुम सेकंड फ्लोर में इंस्टॉल करें तो व्हाट विल बी इट्स लाइफ एंड कितना बजट है एंड क्यों लगाना चाहते हैं सबसे पहले ये?
First of all, the budget of the hot cold water dispenser comes out to be for each. It is around 6,000, and I see the requirement because during my groundwork I have found that people actually want this thing, and if the requirement is there, I suppose as a general secretary I have to make the requirements. I have to give things which is required for the hostel, and water as a basic necessity in whenever you go to a second floor, people actually claim they want to have any kind of water dispenser in their wing, and if a hot plus cold water, hot cum cold water is there, and it's the benefit for the whole wing basically.
Last question by Manish to Manohar.
You mentioned regarding the hostel trip, how feasible is this? regarding with the rules, who is taking the risk if something happens, like who gives the official permission for you to taking the hostel trip?
So I'll sit talk with regarding this with warden. तो warden sir has no objection, but we have to जैसे department trips होता है उसमें ये लिखा होता है कि there will trip के पहले we will be taking a permission, written मतलब permission मतलब खुद का acknowledgement, like जो incidents आने वाले हैं तो ट्रिप में होने वाले हैं, that I am solely responsible for myself. एक लेटर भी अपन हर एक इनमेट्स में ले सकते हैं, तो responsibility का कुछ पे नहीं है, and it will be like mainly it is introduced to increase interaction between the inmates. उससे काफ़ी हॉस्टल के लिए भला हो जाता है.
Last question by Manohar to Manish.
हाँ, so आपने तो यही लिखा है कि ग्रिल्स इन थर्ड विंग ग्राउंड फ्लोर, बट तुम उधर के लोगों से पूछा है क्या? जब मैंने पूछा था वो सीधा मना कर रहा है, मतलब यू आर नॉट एट ऑल मतलब इंटरेस्टेड इन हैविंग ग्रिल्स ओवरऑल ग्राउंड फ्लोर के लिए, ताकि वो पूरा घूम के जाना पड़ेगा फुटर फील्ड जो भी है. तो तुमने मतलब ग्राउंड व्हाट इज योर ग्राउंड वर्क ऑन दिस?
It is not the kind of iron grill you are understanding. That means what kind of iron grills I have mentioned, it is not hampering the situation. That is the current situation. They can easily move out of their rooms and they can go to the further field. So anyways, it's not hampering. And with my groundwork, people actually said that if their windows is breaking, that takes a lot of time to get repaired, and that shouldn't be the case.